Hey everybody, I made a little game called the Vector Factory, and the idea is that you need to produce this vector 770, and you have a little vector machine, and let me reload. You can see how it works. Boom! It multiplies this matrix by this vector, gives another vector. So I'm going to put this vector on the shelf, and then I'm going to drag this vector into the other slot of the machine, and it creates a new vector. I put it up there. Then I drag this vector again into there, creates another vector, put that on the shelf, drag that again, put it on the shelf, drag that again, put it on the shelf. This entire user interface is all drag and drop. I'll probably do another video where I show like the mechanics of doing drag and drop in JavaScript. It's like not super complicated, but it's kind of fun. But anyway, I'm gonna drag this vector again, put it on the put it on the shelf, drag this vector again, put it on the shelf. And so a little fun fact here, this vector here is called the Q matrix. And every time this Q matrix is applied to a vector like 0, 1, or 1, 1, or 1, 2, or 2, 3, its action is that it combines the numbers and puts that in the bottom part of the row, and then it takes the bottom part of the vector, then it takes the bottom part of the vector and puts it up top. And you notice here, either on top or on the bottom, that's the Fibonacci series. Let me do a couple more examples just to fully illustrate it. So yeah, this is Fibonacci series. So you can see up top here 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. On the bottom 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So that's the Fibonacci series. Let me show you some other things that you can do that are kind of fun. So I'll just put this in the trash. That's fine. I don't need it anymore. Let's suppose I put 5, 8 in here. And then what does this matrix do? Well, as soon as I drag it in, you can see what it does. This is kind of a weird matrix because what it does is the action of this matrix is to take the top number and then put it in the bottom of the vector and disregard this 5, 8. So let's see if we can do that again. We'll trash both of these vectors. So if I take this 8, 13, I'm expecting to get 0, 8. Sure enough, I do. And that's how that works. And we'll trash both of these guys. We don't need them anymore. And there should be one other important matrix in here. Oh, yeah. So this matrix here, let's get rid of this guy too. So this matrix here, let's get rid of that little vector. This matrix here, what do you think it's going to do to 2, 3? It kind of looks like the identity matrix, but it's actually the opposite. And what it does is it swaps the values. So let's trash that. Whoops, sorry. Let's trash both of them. So if I put the 1321 vector in this slot with this matrix that apparently swaps things, I should expect the result here to be 2113. Let's see if that works. Boom, it does. So that's like you have these matrices that have certain actions. I'll spoil things a little bit. In order to solve this puzzle, you somehow need to invoke this matrix. And I'm not going to give too many clues. You need to experiment. But like if I multiply that matrix by 1, 1, I get 32, 2. Notice that 3 times 1 plus minus 1 times 1 equals 2. So that's a little bit of a hint. But anyway, that's the game. I think it's kind of fun if you have like a little mathematical curiosity, and maybe you'll figure it out. And if you don't, I'll probably post another video with full spoilers. All right, thank you for listening. Bye.